In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Zoho Crm for your multiple projects. To begin, open Zoho Projects and make sure you are on the main home dashboard for your portal. Starting from the home screen is helpful because it confirms you are in the correct organization and viewing the global navigation, which is where the integration settings live. If you manage multiple projects, this setup is important because it helps your teams connect client and deal information in Zoho CRM with the work being tracked in Zoho Projects. Once you are on the home dashboard, look near the top area of the interface for the main navigation controls. Click the highlighted area that opens the broader menu where account and setup options are located. This is the gateway to the marketplace and app connections, so if you do not see what you need right away, focus on finding the menu that leads into configuration and integrations. Next, select Marketplace. The Marketplace is where Zoho Projects lets you enable add-ons and connect other Zoho products. Using the Marketplace is the recommended approach because it keeps integrations centralized and easier to manage later, especially when you need to review or update connections. Inside Marketplace, click Zoho Apps. This section lists the Zoho applications that can be linked directly to Zoho Projects. Staying within Zoho Apps also reduces setup friction, since these integrations are designed to work together with consistent permissions and shared data. From the list of Zoho apps, find and click Zoho CRM. This opens the Zoho CRM integration page where you can access the configuration options and details. Take a moment to confirm you are selecting Zoho CRM specifically, since there may be several apps with similar names, and choosing the correct one ensures you are linking the right system for leads, contacts, and deals. Finally, click on How do I configure? This opens the built-in guidance for completing configuration. It is useful to keep this help content open as you proceed, since it explains what permissions and settings are needed for the connection to work properly across multiple projects and teams. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.